Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, that's not how I did it. Boy, that is a term I have heard mostly if I'm having a beer, standing at a bar somewhere, and somebody unfortunately wants to talk shop with me, which I kind of prefer you didn't. But that's not how I did it. I've heard that so many times I can't even. If I had a nickel for every time I heard it, I'd probably be a millionaire. The reason I started thinking of this was I was reading a recent article from the Tiger. That's the Tiger, Thaiger. Hats off to you folks over there. I do some videos from time to time with those folks, and we do love their content. But I thought of this when reading an article called Top 10 Hard Truths of Living as an Expat in Thailand. And number 7, the headline is, "But that's not how I did it last time." And quoting directly, immigration rules, negotiating with police, business rules, road rule enforcement, the way you tackle some of these day-to-day little quote-unquote impediments should be treated as a single adventure and not be referred to in the future as the way things are done. Whilst Thailand has well-described rules, regulations, and laws relating to just about everything, they are often applied and enforced in a way that may appear unfair or inconsistent or not at all. Yeah, look, this is something I've really tried to put across, especially to common law thinkers. So folks from the Anglosphere, the United States, the Commonwealth, UK, the Westminster system of law that later evolved in the US to what we call the sort of general common law system. It just isn't the same legal system here. And I can't stress enough how deep those notions go in sort of the collective paradigm. For example, they don't use precedent in the court system here. So prior court decisions, especially at the trial level, they may have no bearing whatsoever on a later case. Whereas that could be a very different situation. In fact, it will be a very different situation in the American legal tradition, or the English legal tradition, or the Australian, or the the Kiwi legal tradition, whatever. That's just a different way of doing things. These cases you're dealing with, visas, whatever it is, it's going to be circumstantially dependent in many cases. Now, if processing, for example, of your business visa extension worked one way last year, it's probably going to work similarly the forthcoming year. But there's always some little change. We deal with it daily. In fact, it's what we do, especially in the business visa unit, dealing with these little documentation changes that just come up from time to time, associated with, just dealing with your ongoing status here in Thailand. So the thing to take away from this video is, look, that may not be how you did it, but that doesn't mean it can't be done that way.